Right, the head's back on, new head gasket's on. It was a nightmare because there's no pins or like location pins when you put it down. So I had to smear a little bit of like mastic on it and wait for it to stick. Otherwise the head gasket just moved whenever I put the head on. It was a nightmare, but it's all done now. I've just going through the torque specs. I've done stage 1, which is 40 to 45 newton meters or 30 to 41 pound foot. Stage 2 I just done at 60, but it's 50 to 70 newton meters, 37 to 52 pound foot. And after 20 minutes for stage 3, you tighten between 73 and 83 newton meters or 54 and 61 pound foot. So I hope that's helpful to anyone that wants to know, really. So yeah, I'm just waiting my 20 minutes and then I'll be giving it the final torque and put it all back together, basically. So well, we're nearly there.